Hello children, good morning. I welcome you to my English class. Now you say, what rhyme did you read yesterday? The rhyme was rain. Now you see the picture. Where does it rain? It rains on the umbrella, on the tree, on the green grass, on the housetop, and on the ships at sea. Then can you say what poem we will read today? The poem Rain. The poem Rain. Now children, we will recite the poem The Rain. Now you listen and then you recite after me. You first listen the poem. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree and rain on the housetop, but not upon me, but not upon me. The rain is raining all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree and rain on the housetop, but not upon me, but not upon me, but not upon me. Did you enjoy the poem? How much? A lot. Thank you. Now children, you say, how many stanzas are there in this poem? There are 2 stanzas. First stanza and second stanza. Where does it rain? It rains all around means it rains everywhere. Where? On the field, on the tree, on the umbrellas, on the ships at sea, on the green grass, and on the housetop. But not upon whom? But not upon me. Now children, can you say, me refers to dash? Me refers to the child or the poet. The child may be the poet. Because the child is the poet. And his mother, whose mother? The poet's mother. Now children, you say, what is the poem about? The poem is about rain. Where does it rain? It rains on tree, on field, on umbrellas, on ships at sea, on green grass, on the housetop, and everywhere it rains. Then how many times rain is used in the poem? We can count 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. How many times? The word rain has been used for 6 times. Do you understand? How many times? For 6 times. Now children, we'll discuss some rhyming words in this poem. There are some rhyming words. What are they? First of all, tree, sea. Tree, sea. Then in the second stanza, tree, me. These were the rhyming words of this poem. Did you enjoy the poem? How much? A lot. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.